Understanding annual fees and charges for HSBC credit cards is crucial to making the most of your credit card. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, it is essential to know what annual fees are. Annual fees are charges levied by HSBC on their credit cards, which are typically paid once a year. These fees vary depending on the type of credit card you have, with some cards having no annual fee at all. Next, you need to understand the different types of charges associated with HSBC credit cards. These include interest charges, late payment fees, and foreign transaction fees. Interest charges are applied when you do not pay your balance in full. Late payment fees are charged when you miss a payment, and foreign transaction fees are applied when you make transactions abroad. To avoid or minimize these charges, you should always pay your balance in full and on time, and inform HSBC before making transactions abroad. You should also review your credit card statement regularly to ensure that you are aware of all the charges. Another important concept is the interest-free period, which is the time you have to pay your balance in full without incurring interest charges. Typically, this period ranges from 20 to 55 days, depending on the credit card. To make the most of your HSBC credit card, you should choose a card that suits your needs and spending habits. And always read the terms and conditions carefully before applying. You should also consider the rewards and benefits offered by the credit card, such as cashback, travel points, or purchase protection. Finally, it is crucial to manage your credit card account responsibly to avoid unnecessary charges and interest. This includes keeping track of your spending, paying your balance on time, and avoiding overspending. In conclusion, understanding annual fees and charges for HSBC credit cards is straightforward when you know what to look for. By following these easy steps and best practices, you can enjoy the benefits of your credit card while minimizing unnecessary charges and interest. Always review the terms and conditions. Choose a card that suits your needs, and manage your account responsibly to get the most out of your HSBC credit card.